Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to look and how to use our search function in Files Manager in Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. First of all, let's open My Files app. Here it is, My Files, and at the top right corner we have this looking glass option. We can use microphone, of course, but here we have a few filters. So let's search something, for example, something that contains number 3, and everything that has a 3 in it will be shown here. Of course, we can search by type or by the time it was created. Image, here are our images, and that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.